Welcome to another quality video from Ministry of Facts. Today we have 15 quirky facts you didn't know. Number 1. WIMPS and WIMPZILLAS are theoretical particles made of theoretical dark matter. An old gypsy told me that one. Number 2. The FDA allows frozen strawberries to contain an average mold count of up to 45%. I can't get my head around that. Number 3. The lifespan of a rock star is 25 years shorter than average. Can I get that on a t-shirt? Number 4. Anteaters prefer termites to ants. Holy moly. Number 5. Niger souls do not actually have air in them. Check Google. Number 6. In its ancient form, the carrot was purple, not orange. Wondrous. Number 7. Fraudulent scientific papers tend to contain more jargon. Is that true? Number 8. More than twice as many people are killed by vending machines as by sharks. Tell me more. Number 9. News of the Battle of Trafalgar traveled the 1,100 miles to London in 17 days. I'm going to Google that one. Number 10. There are 4,800 species of frog in the world, but only one of them goes back ribbit. Just wow. Number 11. A group of jellyfish is often referred to as a smack. Did you know that? Number 12. The BEEHIVE hairdo was invented to fit under a fez. Mind blowing. Number 13. As a child, Beyonce charged her parents' house guests each to watch her perform. Post your fun facts in the comments. Number 14. All the swans in England are property of the Queen. Remember, knowing is half the battle. Number 15. Fish cough. Thrilling. That's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We upload daily.